According to research, young men are most prone to engage in violent road behavior. Environmental variables like congested roadways might exacerbate rage while driving. Road rage is also associated with a number of psychological variables, such as misdirected anger and high levels of stress. So here's a glimpse into what happens on the road almost every day. The pressure increased beyond what the truck could manage. Truck drivers need to be aware of the height restrictions, similar to how it's even conceivable that you're leaving in peace. Colorado is undoubtedly dangerous to drive through, especially when you're hauling 84k pounds down a mountain. I'm glad the motorist took the ramp rather than smashing into traffic.
Yo! What? No way! Oh, shit! Oh, yo! My God. Oh! No, dang, so badass. Oh. Now he's going backwards. That's the scary part. You still have no brakes going backwards. Oh, dude.
The truck made every effort not to crash into anyone. That was incredible, and I'm glad nobody got hurt. The person shooting has got to be the chillest man ever. If I saw something like that, I'd go absolutely crazy.
Oh no. What a mess, Priscilla. Oh no.
That truck rolled over carelessly, resembling a drunk person falling out of a hammock. What a crazy thing. The brakes appear to be malfunctioning. Too many vehicles were involved in collisions on the road. Two pals were walking down the street when one of them slipped while trying to win the race. Ouch.
É assim que o caminhão tomba na serra. Olha só. Aí, ó, tombou. Tombou. Entendeu?
Despite the car in front of it, the truck driver continued to drive. He either didn't know or did it intentionally.
Тихо, я
When a truck is driving, an automobile should be driven calmly. Attempted to pass, slid, and crashed. When you have a tight schedule and can't waste time wandering about with little inconveniences. OMG, this is amazing. Due to the strong air alone, the Amazon truck slipped. What a support system you are, dude, holding the truck with a little assistance and letting it get wrecked. To stop the truck from rolling, apply the brakes instead of counting on the brake interlocks. I work as a fuel delivery person, and the vehicle wouldn't have rolled if he had the vapor recovery hose connected. Various driver errors. The tanker is approaching quickly. It's really made by the music. The teen who used to sit next to the driver urged the driver to give him the opportunity to drive that day, and he lost control while doing so, which is what actually caused the accident. Thankfully, nobody perished. He gets a 1 because he didn't anticipate that, but once he realized he needed to stop, he handled that rig in a really spectacular manner. 10. The brakes had to fail at such speed while traveling downhill, of course. There are signs instructing drivers of large trucks to slow down, halt, and shift into low gear before a particularly steep descent, but it appears that this driver disregarded the advice. I mean, truly, just one person's actions disrupted the entire flow of traffic. These are the individuals who continually impede traffic. The van's occupant was in a great hurry. He overcame the obstacle. My parents always stated that strange things happen in the middle of things, and that's exactly what happened in this case. Despite there being extremely little room to pass by, the automobile driver confidently passed the trucker. The truck driver's error alone resulted in numerous injuries, and the automobile to the right even suffered a severe flip. The truck appears to be a male snake, and they simply didn't want to approach her. She broke down. Instead of trying to execute a U-turn, he might have simply made a left, straightened out his tractor-trailer, reversed straight back onto the street behind him while utilizing his hazard lights, and then made a left onto the street he came from. A few truck drivers actually drive like they're teenagers, hard, crashing into the moving autos. Only God knows for sure what the cause is. It could be a distraction from a cell phone, talking, sleeping, alcohol. May God comfort them as they care for us all as family. These are just a few of the various ways that traffic accidents occur. I hope you all enjoyed today's episode of Road Rage. I'll see you later.